we're going to add some text to our podcast. Why? Well, to help our visual learners and the hearing impaired. But first, let's see what our podcast looks like so far. Here's our bumper. Next is our title slide. Then the beginning of our premise that all problems can be solved using 3 logical constructs. And then sequence, well, what is sequence? What is selection? And what is iteration? We could use some text. Timing is everything. We could use some text on those 3 slides. So I'm going to come down to the sequence. Okay, there it is. There's my sequence clip. And I'm going to go to my text menu. And down at the bottom, towards the bottom, is something called ticker. Now this is kind of like a news ticker. It's going to scroll some text along the bottom of your clip. And I've tested this out on iPhones and iPads, and it works very well. So I'm going to click and drag that. Now I want to make sure that the entire clip turns blue. So I'll just move it until that happens and let go. That ensures that the ticker extends the entire length of the clip. Okay. Now, sequence, we'll say, is the natural order of doing one task after another. Okay? Task 1, task 2, task 3, and so on. So let's press enter. And you'll see this blue line with our text. That's our ticker. Now, let's just view that clip and see what that ticker looks like. Here we go. Oh, it's moving pretty quick. Because it extends over the length of the clip, to slow it down, I have to increase the length of the clip. So I'm going to double click on that clip and type in, oh, let's try 15. And now let's view our clip. It's moving at kind of a nice slow pace. 15 seconds may be a bit long, but I'm going to leave it at 15 until after I do my voiceover. Now, I'm going to put you on pause and go ahead and add text to the next 2 slides. When I'm done, we'll come back and take a look at what we've got. I've added my tickers, so let's have a look. For the time being, I set each ticker to be 15 seconds long. We can adjust that later. Here's the first ticker. Sequence is the natural order of doing one task after another. Our second ticker reads, selection tests a condition and does one thing if it's true and another if it's false. And our final ticker is iteration repeats a task until it's time to stop. So now we are ready to do the voiceovers.